son. Ain't nobody fucking with me, man. And you already know that, pimpin'. Cash money records, dreams come true. Fuck up my dreams, somebody gon' die tonight. And you already know that, pimpin'. It's Cash Money Records, man, a lawless game. Unfucking believable, Lil Wayne's a president. Fuck 'em, fuck 'em, fuck 'em, even if they celebrate. I know the game is crazy, it's more crazy than it's ever been. I'm married to that crazy bitch, you call me Karen Federline. It's obvious that he'll be Cash Money till the death of him. The ground shall break when they bury him. Bury him. I know that one day they gotta bury him, but I like my casket tight, baby, so I don't let the devil in. People, it's just me and my guitar, yeah, bitch, I'm heavy metalin', and you can get that fucking Led Zeppelin. Niggas is bitches, bitches, I think they full of estrogen, and we hold court, taking life for the settlement. Yes, I'm the best, and no, I ain't positive, I'm definite. I know the game like I'm reffing it. This is the Carter 3, the New Testament, and I'm a god, and this is what I bless him with. Bitch, I'm me, I'm me, I'm me, I'm me, baby, I'm me. So who you? You're not me, you're not me. But I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. Junior. It's Cash Money over everything. I see my blood, I feel it running in every vein. I'm from the mud, I am a missile like a scud. What's really good, I'm about to rock it like bud. And I stay on my flow and Cash Money like a rug. Tied to the fucking Birdman like a log. And dear Mr. Ronald Williams, to you I shall forever give thanks like a pilgrim. Cash Money millionaire to the throne, going at the heads like hair in a comb. Sitting by the window I just stare